you know that the humble potato was once considered a dangerous food? In the 16th century, when Spanish explorers brought it back from the Americas, many Europeans believed it could cause diseases like leprosy. Crazy, right? Fast forward to the 18th century in Europe, where this tuber was not just a curiosity, but a lifesaver. During the French Revolution, famine struck, and the potato became a staple for the starving masses. Enter Antoine-Augustin Parmentier, a French agricultural scientist and potato enthusiast. He staunchly defended the potato, conducting experiments and public tastings, turning it from a food of the poor into a culinary sensation. Imagine this. Parmentier hosted lavish dinners showcasing delicious potato dishes. To spark interest, he even had guards posted around his potato fields to create an air of mystery. Soon, the elite began to embrace potatoes, and they spread like wildfire across Europe. But the potato's journey didn't stop there. It played a crucial role in the Industrial Revolution, providing cheap and nutritious food to the growing urban workforce. The Irish, for instance, became heavily reliant on the potato, which led to devastating consequences during the Great Famine in the 1840s, when a potato disease wiped out crops, leading to mass starvation. So, what does this mean for us today? The potato is now one of the most popular foods worldwide, featured in countless dishes from French fries to gnocchi. It's fascinating how a food once deemed dangerous became a global staple. Here's a fun fact to chew on. Did you know that there are over 4,000 different varieties of potatoes? From the purple Peruvian to the creamy Yukon Gold, each one carries a piece of history. So next time you enjoy a plate of mashed potatoes or a crispy chip, remember the wild ride this simple tuber has taken through history. What other foods do you think might have a surprising story behind them?